Hello, welcome to this Civil 3D surface modeling tutorial. In this video, I'm going to talk about a very powerful tool available in Civil 3D, and it is called adding Brakeline to a surface as wall. It is a tool that is often overlooked. So how to access it? You go to tool space, excuse me, and then you come to prospector, and then you come to surfaces, and uh, if you have any surface, you need to come to Brakeline. You right click on this Brakeline, add, and then you need to change the type to wall. Okay, it's a very powerful tool, so let us demonstrate the power of this wall type Brakeline with a very simple example. Okay, in my example, I have this rectangle which is at an elevation of 0, so let's change its elevation to, let's say, 50. Okay, 50, remember 50. Then I have this surface called design surface, and it has nothing in its definition yet, so I need to add something to its definition. So what I will do, I will come to the definition part, will click on this break line, right click and add. Okay, and it's a Civil 3d is asking me for the description of the break line. I will say, let's call it 1, and then I'm okay with the standard right now. For the time being, I'm okay with the standard, so I will press OK. Civil 3d is asking me to select objects. I will click on this rectangle. Remember, it is at an elevation of 50 meters, so let me press enter. There it is. Now I will distribute it. Okay, I will click on this setting surface. We'll go to object viewer, and as I can see, a very flat surface has been created for us. Now we will use the power of adding Brakeline as well. So we already have that polyline for us, so I will just offset that polyline, let's say by that amount. To the inside, I think offset was way too much, so I will reduce it. I will take an offset of the polyline to the inside, and let me see its height. Its elevation is 50 as well, so that's cool. Now I will come to Brakeline, add Brakeline. Now I will change its type to wall this time, and let us give it a description of 2. Press OK. Civil 3d, again it is asking you to select objects. I will click on this inner rectangle, press enter. Pick offset side. That's the most important part right now. You click on the outside, it will give you one result. You click on the other side, on the inner side, it will give you a different result. So I will first click on the outside, and then enter option for wall heights, all and individual. I'm okay with all, so I will press enter. Enter elevation difference per point. For offset points, I will say give me something with an offset of, with an elevation difference of 10 meter. So let's see what does it do. Okay, there it is. I will click on the thin surface. We'll go to object viewer. Wow, maybe in your projects, maybe at some stages of your projects, you may need to do something like this. I don't know, but you never know. So now let's go. I will press Ctrl Z to go back to the same look, to that same step again. This time I will click on this add Brakeline. I will again call it to 2 in wall type. Okay, this time I'm gonna click it, and I'm gonna take the pick offset side, the inner one. So let's see what it does. I'm okay with all, an elevation difference of 10. So anything has been done. Again same thing. Okay, no problem. Let's add it as to wall type. Okay, this inner rectangle, outside all I'm okay with it, but an elevation of 10 meter, minus 10 meter, sorry. So if I click on minus 10, let's see what it has done to the surface. Let's see the result. There you go. You have something really different now. So this was just a simple example. In the next video, we are going one step ahead, and we will try to play with an example that is a bit complicated, but that is something practical in the field as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.